In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Adidas account. Whether you're returning to buy your favorite pair of sneakers or checking on your orders, being able to log in effortlessly can make your experience much smoother. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Adidas login page. You can easily find the page through your favorite search engine or by navigating directly through the Adidas website. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the sign-in section. Now that you're on the login page, you have a couple of options to proceed. If you have an existing Adidas account, you can simply enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Adidas account. Otherwise, you'll encounter login issues. However, there's also another quick and convenient way to log in. For those of you who have linked your Adidas account to Google, you can simply click on the Sign In with Google option. This is often a quicker method as it bypasses the need to enter your email and password. Moving forward, if you're opting to sign in via Google, a new window will pop up showing the list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Here, you'll want to select the account that is linked to your Adidas profile. Once selected, Google will ask for your permission to proceed, ensuring that it's really you trying to access the Adidas account. So go ahead and click Continue. Following this, you might encounter a page summarizing any permissions Adidas will have upon logging in. This usually means Adidas will access your basic account details like your name and email address. If you're okay with that, click on Continue to proceed. If everything's followed correctly, congratulations, you've now successfully logged into your Adidas account. You should now be on your account dashboard where you can explore your profile settings, view past orders, or continue shopping for your favorite gear. Logging in keeps your shopping experience streamlined and personalized. So remember, whenever you visit Adidas in the future, having your login details readily available can save you time. If you ever encounter issues, both the Adidas support page and your email provider's troubleshooting guides are great resources to assist you. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now comfortable logging into your Adidas account. Happy shopping, and until next time, take care!